Here is the scientific evidence you've been craving to prove that there is no such thing as a digital HD 4K NextGen TV antenna. Any antenna you buy is going to have HD digital 4K, 8K NextGen logos all over the packaging, trying to entice buyers into thinking they're getting some kind of special antenna, but they're really not. So what I've done to prove this is set up a homemade antenna I made out of copper wire here. It's very beautiful. And I'll show you on a spectrum analyzer that antennas do not discriminate between HD, digital, analog, 4K, color, black and white. Let's go inside and have a look. So I'll show you on the spectrum analyzer here that the antenna is going to pick up radio frequency signals of all kinds, and it won't discriminate between digital, analog, HD. None of that matters to an antenna. All right, right here, the first peak you see is VHF TV channel 2. That is a digital signal and it is in high definition. And then I'll grab the cursor. This is channel 4, also digital, high definition. And then here are the local FM radio stations, this big group of peaks here. These are all analog signals. And of course, the struggle to move the cursor. This group of peaks here, I believe, is land mobile radio signals. Okay, I don't know if those are digital or analog. Doesn't matter to the antenna though. And finally, here is VHF channel 9. This is a digital HD signal. And looking at the higher part of the band, this peak here is, I think, ground mobile radio, but I could be wrong about that. Let me know in the comments if I'm wrong. And then right here, these peaks here are also mobile radio frequencies, I believe. 400, 450-ish, and 560. And then these two tall peaks right here are cell phone, 5G and LTE. And this, I think, is more fixed mobile radio frequencies here. So you could see that an antenna is an antenna, whether it's homemade or store-bought. It doesn't discriminate between radio frequencies. It doesn't care if they're analog or digital, if they're HD or 4K or color, black and white. None of that matters. Antennas are just pieces of metal designed to pick up certain frequencies. So the next time you are shopping around for a TV antenna, try to ignore all of those buzzwords on the box and look at the design of the antenna. That is really going to tell you how effective it will be at picking up VHF TV signals or UHF TV signals. The design of the antenna is the most important thing when you're choosing an antenna, not the buzzwords printed on the box. When you're shopping for indoor TV antennas, look for these long rabbit ear dipole elements for VHF channels 2 to 13. The longer, the better. And for UHF channels 14 to 36, the body or the panel of the antenna itself has the elements for UHF stations inside. So generally, the bigger, the better those are. So if you're buying an antenna like this, buy something with a bigger panel on it, or if you're buying a mud flap antenna, like I said, the bigger the better for UHF stations. And for outdoor antennas, you want to look for models that have lots of elements, some longer and some shorter. The ones here at the back are for VHF, and the ones at the front that are shorter and these little bow tie ones here are for UHF. Those are the things you want to look for when you're buying a TV antenna. The design is what really matters, not what it says on the box.